Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can filter a gallery in PowerApps by dates. So you can see in this gallery right now, I can filter by the school name. But what I want to do is I want to add another filter that can filter by the dates. So let's select the gallery. You can see currently it's just filtering by the school name. So I'm going to replace this filter and put in this filter. So there are 4 different pieces of criteria for this filter. The very first one looks at to see if there's all the dates are in the or all is selected in the date text box in all schools. That will display everything. The second one looks for a specific date and if the school name is empty. And that will filter by just the school, just by the date itself. The third one looks at a specific date and the school name is populated. So if you have a specific date and the school name is populated, it's going to display only the records that have that specific date. The last one looks at if the date field is blank and the school name is populated. So if that's the case, it's going to display just the school name. So let's show you how it works. So I'm going to put in a date, let's say the 26th, and I get this record because the data was saved from the 26th on this school. I choose Goose Creek. Let me look at the data here. So Goose Creek, they have entry on the 15th. And it shows that entry.